In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meeting description infos in Goodday. We'll walk through this process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to add agenda details or descriptions to any meeting in your Goodday workspace. First, start by opening Goodday and selecting the workspace where your meeting is located. Workspaces in Goodday are like containers for your projects, teams, or departments. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a moment to choose the one that actually holds the meeting you want to edit. This helps keep things organized and make sure you're updating the right item. Once you're in the correct workspace, you'll see the usual lists, projects, and activities that belong to that space. Next, look for the option or section related to meetings. This may appear as a tab, a menu item, or a specific module labeled meeting, depending on how your Goodday view is set up. Go ahead and click on Meeting. This will filter your view so you're only seeing meeting-related items, which makes it much easier to find the one you want to update. Now, from the list of available meetings, select the specific meeting where you want to add or update the description information. You might recognize it by its title, date, or the project it's associated with. Click directly on that meeting to open its detailed view. Once it opens, you should see various properties of the meeting, like the time, participants, and current notes or fields. Inside the meeting view, look for a plus sign, usually represented as a small plus icon. This plus sign is used to add additional elements or sections to the meeting. Click on the plus sign to reveal the options that you can add. If you don't see it immediately, check the area near the meeting details or along the edges of the panel. It's often placed where you can easily expand the meeting's information. From the options that appear after you click the plus sign, choose Agenda. Selecting Agenda will add an agenda or description section to your meeting. This is where you can type in your meeting description, talking points, goals, or any other important information you want attendees to see ahead of time. Take advantage of this space to make your meeting more structured and clear. Once you're done, your agenda